Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. For today's recipe, I am making a no-bake banana pudding cheesecake. I'm starting with vanilla wafers in my food processor and blending those up. And I'm going to be adding some melted butter to that and continuing to blend it till we have like a wet sand consistency to make our crust. I'm using a springform pan for this, and I'm going to be adding my crust in, patting that down for a nice crust layer. There that is. And then I'm going to be making a basic no-bake cheesecake filling. So I have a block of cream cheese, about a 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, which I've sifted. Then I'm adding some heavy cream. It's about 3/4 cup. And a splash of vanilla. And I'm going to beat that with my hand mixer or stand mixer if you have one for a couple minutes until that gets thick and creamy. Just like that. Then I'm going to be making banana cream pudding. So I have this box of pudding mix, and I'm mixing that in with 3 cups of cold milk. So I'm going to be whisking that for a couple minutes till that's combined, and it's going to start to thicken and get nice and creamy. There it is. And we're going to be refrigerating that for a few minutes, and I've gone ahead and put the cheesecake in the refrigerator too, as well as the crust. So now I've taken everything out of the refrigerator after it's had a chance to chill. And now I have a banana, which I'm going to be slicing up and putting the banana slices onto my crust. There they are. Then I'm going to add a layer of pudding. So there's my pudding I put onto the bananas. Now I saved a little bit of pudding, and I'm adding that in with the cheesecake. Folding that in. And we're going to be making another layer. So we're adding that on top of our pudding layer. We're going to be refrigerating this for at least 4 to 5 hours, but overnight would be best. It may take a little longer to set because we've added the pudding into our cheesecake. So if you want to make it a day ahead and do it overnight would be the best. All right, moment of truth. We're opening up our pan, and there it is. We're going to be adding some Cool Whip to the top of that. And we have a few vanilla wafers left that we're going to be crushing up and adding to the top. Then we've sliced it. It looks really good. I can't wait to give this a try, and I hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania.